If you're looking for the best deals and quality workmanship when servicing your vehicle, then look no further than North Motor Group Service Center. At North Motor Group, they understand that your satisfaction is important, so they ensure you and your vehicle are taken care of by a highly trained and specialized team. Although they specialize in 3 brands available at this branch, Mitsubishi, Honda, and Mahindra, North Motor Group have launched an independent service center with the cheapest labor rates in South Africa, with vastly experienced vehicle technicians that cater for all makes and models. At Mahindra, Honda, and Mitsubishi, you can get your car back into shape from as little as $899, plus an additional air conditioning inspection, a holiday inspection, as well as a 15% discount on clutches and 20% less on CVT transmission replacements. For these great deals and more, visit them on the corner of Rivonia and Witkoppen in Sunninghill, Johannesburg, or visit their website on www.northmotorgroup.co.za, or contact them on 011 808 3900.